Akweke.
Where is this?
Akweke. Akweke.
Obinna, why are you calling my name as if you're calling thunder and lightning?
I was calling you to inform you that I'm about to go out to see my friend Ebuka, so you look after the house.
There is no water in this house. And you want to go and see a friend?
Akweke, you seem to have forgotten that I am the son. Not just the son, the only son of Okeke. So it is not my responsibility to get water for the house. Rather, it is yours, who happens to be the one without a child of our own, and also the second wife of my father. You slapped me.
I command you, Obinna, son of Okeke, go and get water.
At your service, Okeke. Your words are law.
Now, take it and go and get water.
Sad face. Are you okay?
It's not Akweke. I was about to go and see my friend Ebuka. When Akweke called me to go and fetch water, then she slapped me on top of it.
Ah! You mean Akweke slapped you?
Yes.
Hey! Abomination! The elders must hear this. What nonsense!
Ajani, please, I don't want trouble. But this is my plan. I would fetch the water quite alright, but she will not use from it. We'll be the ones using the water.
Don't worry, Obinna, go and fetch the water. We will go home and meet that daughter of the unknown.
Akweke, slap my brother.
Daughters of Okeke, what is it?
Akweke, since my late father married you into this house, whenever you are called, you are always coming out from the back of the hut. Or you are coming out from the bush. What are you always doing there?
Did you both call me out here to question me?
Hey. Akweke, I can see you've grown wings, eh? No problem. So, as the first daughter of this house, I cannot call you and ask you questions. I cannot call you. I don't blame you. That's why you are barren. You could not even bear my father a child before his death. Go and sue.
For the last time, why did the both of you summon me? Or did you call me out to stand here and watch you both bark like a dog?
Akweke, are you talking to us like that?
Now I command the both of you, go and get me food to eat.
Your words are law.
Go! raise it up now. I don't want to stress myself.
Sorry. Munnim, my sisters, why are you both kneeling? What's going on here?
Obinna, I command you to go inside and get me a cup of water.
Your word is law.
Obinna.
Oh, Adako, you scared me.
Obinna, what is it? What's happening?
Adako, a lot has been going on and I do not have an idea what exactly is wrong.
Obinna, you can talk to me. What is it?
Adako, it all started last year when a strange illness took over my sisters and I. A few market days later, I lost the youngest of us, my kid sister. Before my father could find a cure, I got well. Not long after, my father brought in Akweke as his second wife. Then the worst happened.
What is it?
I lost my father afterwards. And since then, my sisters and I have been going through a lot in the hands of Akweke. She's making the house unbearable for any of us.
Akweke. Who is she? Where is she from?
That's the problem. Exactly. That's the point.
Good day, Akweke. Obinna, please, I'm going to the street.
Why does she always appear whenever her name is being mentioned? God of our land, please save me.
I don't know what is going on in my family. I'm tired. Since my father died, one problem to another. I'm really tired.
But have you tried seeking help from somewhere or someone?
Who do I go to? Who do I tell? I don't know anyone. I don't know who to talk to. I'm tired.
Why not try Agbogidi, the native dog?
Yes. You and I know that man loves money more than his own life. I don't have bags of calories to give to him. Yeah.
But you told me last Eke market day that the 3 bags of calories your father left for you is still there. Take one and go to Agbogidi.
Don't you know I've been using them to feed myself and my siblings? I just have 2 bags of calories left.
Take one and go to Agbogidi so that he can divine for you and find a solution to all this problem.
You are right. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go and see him with one bag of calories so that he will tell me the cause of my problem and solution to it.
Yes, my friend, go fast before this thing gets out of hand. Let's go to the stream.
Oma, my beautiful sisters.
Oma. Obina, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you both going this early?
Where is Akweke?
Akweke? That reminds me, I haven't set eyes on her this morning.
Anyways, we want to go and see Agbogi so that we'll know the cause of our problems.
That's very, very thoughtful of you.
We are going with a bag of calories. You know, Abogidi loves money so much.
May Archie guide and protect you both.
We'll be on our way now.
You didn't say he said to the prayers.
Obina, it doesn't matter. Let's just be on our way now so that we'll be back on time.
Take care of the house.
Yochi has deserted you a long time ago.
Akweke, so you are a snake?
May my name be stuck in your mouth till you die. The sins of the father shall visit the children.
So why did you have to go out like that the day you saw Akweke?
They made them look strange. I can't even look into her eyes.
Exactly. Since the day I set eyes on her, I have never liked her. But do you know the funny thing? When my father brought her into our home, she seemed very nice.
But why she now changed all of a sudden?
Exactly. That I can't tell.
Obinna! 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 Obinna!
Yes? Who is after you?
Oh, Obinna, I saw the dead body of your sisters on my way to the stream.
Whose dead body? What are you saying?
I saw your two sisters lying there.
Where?
Come, let's go.
Chinwe, Akweke, he who digs a grave for his enemy might as well be digging one for himself.
I don't understand.
There is no cure for hatred and revenge.
Hatred and revenge. I still don't understand.
A person who does not listen to an advice will get knowledge when problem comes. You gave Mbafu an advice that led to her death. Chinwe. Be warned.
But Akweke was not there when I advised Mbafu. From today, anything that has to do with the Okeke's family, I will remove myself. I don't want trouble.
Where have you been? I have been looking all over for you.
Obinna, my brother. Take.
What kind of egg is this and what am I supposed to do with it?
Take.
Why are my dead sisters appearing to me in the dream? And they keep bringing an egg. What could this mean? Gods of our land, help me. I need to discuss this with someone. Good day.
Good day, Obinna. It's noon. And the weather is not nice. I would like you to go and get me water from the stream.
It's a bad dear. Chinwe, thank the gods I met you here. I was on my way to your hut.
Obinna, what is it?
Chinwe, you know when my late sister Mbafo was alive, you were like a sister to her, so I was actually coming for an advice.
Advice? What type of advice?
Well, I have been seeing...
Obinna, please. If it has to do with the mysterious death in your family, count me out. Just last 3 Eke market days, your sisters died in this same spot. And you are here asking me for... Please, count me out.
But Chinwe, I just need somebody to...
Obinna, please. From today henceforth, I don't want to see your feet near my hut. Or stop me in the way. We are not friends. Let's go.
Chinwe, stop.
Chinwe.
Obinna, we need to do something about this. Your parents are dead. Same with your sister. We need to do something about this.
What do I do? What do you want me to do, Adako? I keep screaming, but nobody is listening to me. Each night I see my late sisters in my dream offering me an egg. That I do not even know what it means.
Then consult Abogidi, the native doctor.
Abogidi?
Yes.
The same Abogidi my late sisters were on their way to meet when they met with the unfortunate and untimely death? No.
Why not go to Mirago and visit the great Ezenwine? Yes. She said to eat and dine with the gods. Once she divine for you, all your problems are solved.
I didn't think about that. I would have to travel to meet with her tomorrow. Because I don't want to die.
You will not die, eh? You will not die, eh? You will not die. Please.
Let me just quickly get to the stream.
Okay.
Adaobi, what are you doing here?
Take.
What kind of egg is this?
Obinna.
Good day, Akweke. I was just going to...
See as a wine, daughter of the waters.
How did you know?
Do not worry, Obinna. You can go. I'll be right here waiting for you. You know, it's good for us to know our problems so that we can know how to solve it. That's if your problem has a solution. Because some problems does not have a solution.
Akweke, you're right. The death of my whole family is not ordinary. I want to go to know the problems. Maybe I can solve it. And I pray to the gods that my problems have a solution.
It's fine. And may your Chi guide and bless you.
They say. Greetings, Eziwine, wise one. I have come to inquire about the unfortunate incident happening in my household. I'm the only surviving child of my father. Every other person is dead. Wise one, I don't want to die. Please, help me.
He who fetches an ant-infested firewood, invite the lizard to a feast. The sacred egg of Ekidemiri.
Egg?
Alu. Abomination.
Ah, wise one. What is it?
Our immortal guardian is here with us. Obinna, run home. And when you reach home, kneel down and beg Akweke. She have something to tell you. Go now and never look back.
Wise one, that's the problem. I came because of that Akweke. That's why I came.
Son of Okeke, it's already late. But we have no other option than to beg her. Go now, before the day turn into night. Go!
Let the tales of the immortals
Please. Please, I'm sorry. I met this in why and she said I should come and kneel before you and ask for forgiveness. Please. Whatever it is, please forgive me.
In the land of the immortals, forgiveness is a sin.
Hey.
Obinna, offspring of Okeke. Sit. I have a story to tell you.
No, I won't sit until you forgive me, please.
I command you to sit. Many years ago, before the full moon, you and your sisters fell ill.
What do we call this type of sickness? My daughter has been ill, and my son is not well either. May the gods of our land help me and save my children.
Papa, I suggest we should go and see Abogidi. He may have solution to our problem.
Abogidi?
Yes.
My daughter? I've never thought of that before. Abogidi is a very good herbalist. I think I'll be on my way immediately for him.
Okay.
I'll be okay. My daughter, you'll be okay.
Take care of yourself.
Ogidi, the son of Oluchukwu, the only man who hears the language of the herbs and roots.
Okay, the only offspring of Ozikemba. How is your family?
Things are not as usual. My children are down with fever this morning. That's why I'm here.
Thank the gods you met me here.
Oh, gods, I thank you.
As you can see, before you walked in, I was plucking some herbs.
Exactly.
This weather is not good. What your children are suffering from is what we call Eba, a high fever.
And what do we do now? I know you do everything to cure them, but my question is, how much will it cost for them to be cured?
Okay, Ozikemba. I go to know. It will cost you only 2 bags of cows.
Hey! Abogidi, 2 bags of what? Even if my land is sold, where can I get such money? Ogidi, don't you think it is on the high side? See what you can do to reduce it.
Okay, Nwazi Kemba. Let me remind you, the herbs and the roots we are talking about is very costly. I have to travel all the way to Newi. I will pass through Ajofia forest. I will pass through Miriago and Ami to get these herbs and the roots. That is why it's costly. But because of the friendship my own father, Moneke, and your father, Ozi Kemba, shared in the past, I will reduce it to 1 bag of cowries.
May the gods continue to protect you. Ogidi, I'll be on my way to see how I raise the money because I don't want my children to die.
Ozi Kemba, the earlier the better. The earlier the better. Let me remind you also that after this stage of fever, by next full moon, this fever will enter the dark side of it, which we call Ebaoji, and if care is not taken, death will come upon your children.
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to my children.
I don't wish death to come upon your children, but the earlier the better.
I'll be on my way to see how I raise the money.
May the gods, the spirit of the waters, Shukwu, the all-knowing deity, Ndemrin and Ikuku, Ajani, Miriago and Ami, bless and keep you.
Thank you.
Ibaoji.
He said that I should bring a bag of cowries before he could prepare the herbs.
Papa, where did he expect us to get bag of cowries from? And besides, it's not yet harvesting season. We would have sold some yams and raised the money.
Exactly. I don't know what else to do, my daughter. I am really confused, even to the lenders I went to. They said they would only raise a bag or 2 of cowries.
Because of our land. Help us. Help us.
Because of our land are our only solace. They are the only solace. By the way, where is your brother?
Papa is inside sleeping.
Sleeping? At this point of the day? I hope all is well?
Yes, Papa. But he complained of being thirsty. So I have to give him the last water in the house. And there's no water in the house. Let me go and fetch.
What exactly are you trying to do? To go and fetch water in this your condition? No, my daughter. I'll go to the stream and fetch water myself, my dear.
Papa, are you sure?
The only thing it take me is to remove this. Go and get water for my family. Keep it, lie down. Oh?
Okay, Papa. Okay, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
decided not to go to the stream again, just to hear you well. So let me understand you very well. What exactly did you say?
I'm from a faraway land, near Kogi village. Our king is very sick. And the Abali said that the only thing that can cure him is the sacred egg of Eki Demiri, which can only be found here in your village.
The sacred egg of Eki Demiri?
Yes.
Fear! Allah, abomination. Do you know the consequence of what you've just uttered? Touching Akweke Idemili? Fear! Allah, and the Bible is appointed. This is a Dutch kingdom. We do not harm pythons in any way. Not even to talk of touching the egg. The python you're talking of saved our forefathers from the olden days wars and hunger. And you're here telling me that you want Akweke.
That is why I'm here. Our king will reward anyone that can help me and get the secret egg of Eki Demli.
Yeah.
I already know the history of your village. Our king gave me 3 bags of cowries, which I can give to anyone that can help me and get the secret egg of Eki Demiri. He can also reward the person with land and many other things.
No. Let me understand you very well. He gave you 3 bags of cowries.
Yes, 3 bags of cowries.
Do I accept the offering of getting the sacred eggs of Idemiri? No. No, never. I can't go against the tradition of our land. It is a taboo to touch the sacred eggs of Idemiri. No, I will not. I will not.
Our king gave me 3 bags of cowries, which I can give to anyone that can help me and get the sacred egg of Eki Demiri. He can also reward the person with land and many other things.
Sit down, my daughter. Why did you decide to come out?
Papa, my sickness is getting worse. Can't you at least talk to your friends so that they can give you the money for the herbs?
My daughter, I've tried, but the amount I've raised is not enough.
Hey.
I'm trying my best.
Papa, Obina is getting worse. And I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Be cool.
My daughter, I want you to believe me. Nothing will happen to your brother. Nothing will happen to my son. I have been thinking for the past 2 days.
Thinking?
Yes.
What is it? What are you thinking?
I want you to swear with Ajani. That what I'm going to tell you now, no other ears will hear this and I'm telling you now. Swear with Ajani.
I should swear with Ajani.
Yes.
Okay. I swear with Ajani. I will not tell anyone.
Good. That is till death. You're sure of what you said?
Yes, Papa.
Very sure.
Yes.
My daughter, a man offered me 3 bags of cowries, but I rejected the offer.
Hey, Papa, why would you reject such offer? You know we need this money for helps. Hey, Papa, you would have collected that money.
Don't accept such an offer.
Okay. What was the offer? Papa, what is the offer?
He said that he should give me the 3 bags if I would provide him with sacred eggs of a kidemili.
Hey! Adobe. Hey! Adobe, don't do this to me. Adobe, please wake up. Adobe, wake up. Adobe, please now. Adobe, wake up. Adobe, wake up. Adobe, wake up. Adobe, wake up. Adobe, stand up, Adobe.
Nando, how is your sister?
Papa, Adobe, she's dead.
No, you don't have to joke with everything. Dead?
Adobe.
Hey! Chia were here, Chia. Hakoko abaso obesi. Hey! Ifilia makabo. Ifilia makabo. Where is Mbafo?
Adobe. Papa, don't touch me. Leave me alone. My sister is dead. And my only brother might die if cares nothing.
May the gods forbid.
Then you have to do the needful. You have to do something so that you can get the money to get EMs, Papa.
My daughter, you and I know very well that I have been trying everything humanly possible to make it work.
Papa, you have to try more. Papa, you have to do the needful. It's either you disobey the laws of the land and get the sacred eggs of Idemili so that your children can live. Or you obey them and watch your generation perish.
Abomination.
Yes, Papa.
I should do what?
Get the sacred eggs. You have to do the needful, Papa. Yes, Papa, choose wisely. You're telling me you have tried your possible best when you have an option to get the sacred eggs of Idemili so that your children can live. Don't touch me! Don't touch me, Papa! Now you disobey them and get the sacred eggs of Idemili. Choose wisely! But my sister died, you're coming here to tell me it's okay, you're trying everything humanly possible when you can do something about it?
Young warrior, are you sure you still need the sacred egg?
Yes, that is the only thing that can make my king get well. The king added another bag of cowrie, making it 4 bags of cowries. So if you can get it for me, I will give you 4 bags of cowries.
4 bags of cowrie? Then I have to venture into the sacred forest of Idemiri. And if luck shines on me, I'll get you the sacred egg.
Okay then, I'll be here before noon tomorrow.
That's okay by me. You have to go. Am I sure this is a step in the right direction? Am I not committing a grievous crime in order to eradicate a trivial one? Am I sure I'm doing the right thing? Well, I have lost a daughter. My son is very sick. My other daughters are very sick. If I don't collect this money, I won't be able to solve my problem. So, I'll collect the money in order to find a solution to my problem. I'll collect the money to solve my problem. I was supposed to pick an egg, but I haven't seen the 3. I'll pick 3 of them. Should anyone break on the road, or should anyone spoil, that will take care of the situation.
Did you get the secret egg of Ekidemili?
Yes. But I would like to have the cowries before handing over the egg to you.
Here is the money.
That's it. Handle with care. I was supposed to give you 1, but I decided to make it 3 to ensure that there's no problem whatsoever. Breaking or spoiling, you can replace.
Thanks. Right. I have to go now.
Okay. But wait. From now onwards, you don't know me, I don't know you. I haven't met you, you haven't met me. I've never done any business with you, I will never do any again with you. So, bye.
I have to go now. Take care.
Where are my sacred eggs? No! No! Okeke, you took away my children and tried to end my generation. I swear with my mother Idemiri and the god and goddesses of Ajani, I will end you and your generation.
And I swore that whosoever that took my eggs, that I, Yakweke, offspring of Idemiri, will end him and his generation.
Hey, Chimo, please. Please stand by justice with mercy, please. Daughter of Idemili, forgive.
Silence, Obinna. I am not done talking. Your father used the money to buy herbs that was used in treating you and your sisters.
Okay, Mozi Kimba. Take. Okay. This is a very powerful herbs. Give it to your children 3 times a day. Morning, afternoon, and night.
3 times.
Every day.
Ogidi! The killer of a man, the day his life is witness to him. They drive me that fills the mouth. I will always remain grateful to you. Meanwhile, this is your bag of cowries. Ego. I'll be on my way.
Egamaka. Money is truly the source of your happiness.
My son, try and drink it. I am the one begging. Try and drink it. It will be good for you. No? Just taste it a little. Just a little. It's okay. Go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead. It's okay. My daughter. I know it is bitter, for sure. But it is for your own good, in your own interest. That's good, but a little sip more. That's my daughter. Hand it over to your sister. My daughter, I I know it is bitter, but take it. I think I should be okay, but just very last sip. Oh, the last sip. The gods of my forefathers, Ndimiri, I beg you that nothing will happen to my children, please. Protect them. Whatever the enemy's plan, it will never work for them. Please, help me. Please, help me. Please, help me, oh! Papa, what is happening?
Papa, we woke up feeling better.
Yes, Papa, we are way better today.
Oh, gods of my forefathers, I cannot thank you enough. Why not come and sit down? Come and sit down here. You mean you are not well? And not being the same?
Yes, Papa.
See, a complete family. Happiness. That's what I'm
Greetings, Nanyukeke.
Beautiful maiden. What's your name?
My name is Akweke.
Akweke. A beautiful name that matches the structure I've seen now.
Take me home and make me your wife.
Your wish is my command. Anything that will come between us, that thing should be pushed aside. Because of the love of my life. Everything I love. See. Oh, what do you want? If you want anything, I'll give it to you tomorrow. I have said for my children, I don't know what is happening.
Don't worry about it.
I want them to see you. Oh.
Hey,
my children.
good day, Papa.
I'm happy you're here. This is Akweke. I've gone to her people. I've done everything necessary. The bride price has been paid in full. So she is now part of our family.
But, Papa?
There's no but. I'm speaking and they're talking of but. A human does not speak when the spirit is speaking. All I've called you for, go and prepare food for us.
Papa, with all due respect, at least we need to know her, know where she's from and whose daughter she is. We need to know these things.
Listen, my son, it is not everything you question. There are certain things you see, take them as they are.
But, Papa...
Don't say, Papa. What do you think you're doing? How can you be talking when I'm talking? Tell me no, Papa. Listen, go inside the forest. Bring enough firewood for your mother.
She is not my mother.
Just calm down.
Are you not their mother? These children, you're making mistakes. They will come to love you. I know how it is. Because for someone... As you are eating it, I'm enjoying it.
Don't worry, wait.
Do you have sugar in your hand? Okay. You take it from me. Nothing can be your sweet.
I killed your father.
Hey.
And I also killed your sister.
Hey! Chimo! Akweke!
Okay. You took away the eggs that contain my children and tried to end my generation. And I swore to end you and your generation. Yochi has deserted you a long time ago.
Akweke, so you are a snake?
May my name be stuck in your mouth till you die. The sins of the father shall visit the children. In their next lives, they will learn to obey the customs and traditions of their land.
Please, daughter of Idemili, please. I beg you. Please spare my life. I'm not responsible for it. My father took your eggs, not me. He's not even alive. Please.
Obinna, the sins of the fathers shall visit the children.
Hey.
Down to their 7th generation.
I am Akweke, offspring of Idemiri.
Always obey the customs and traditions of your land.